Okay, we are back with the Ryobi RYi4022X. You saw my first video, we did the unboxing of this unit, and now we're going to assemble the wheels and the stopper guides for the other side. Also, probably won't show it on the video, but we're going to also add oil to it. One thing that didn't come with the device was a funnel. I think they actually have a paper funnel here, which is kind of cheesy, but I actually went and bought a funnel. I think it was like $2 at Home Depot, so you're probably going to want that because it's a bit of an awkward placement of the oil fill cap. And the stoppers, I just got my sockets out. It looks like these are 10 millimeter. So you're also going to want 10 millimeter wrenches and sockets for this job. So I'm going to go ahead and get started here. Let's see, I guess we'll put the wheels on first and then get to the stoppers. Let's see. So pretty simple with these wheels. Looks like there's just a couple big pins here that go through the wheels. I'm just trying to see if I actually need any of the washers. Okay, so yeah, there's washers also. The washers go right after the wheel and before you attach to the unit. So I just put the washer on like that. And there's some cotter pins here. I believe these are the smaller ones. Yep. Okay, so just going to prop this up here. Put this on. Just going to push that cotter pin through and turn it on for you. Hopefully you can see this. That's how it works. Let's see, the next one is same thing for this one. Just peel those out. Just going to put the bolt through the washer. Pull out that cotter pin. There we go. Pretty much as simple as that. Push them on so they're snug. So I got those two on now. Wheels are moving perfectly. Let's switch it around here. We're going to put these, I call them stoppers. Maybe they're called the base legs, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to go ahead and put these on. There's bolts for these. There's 4 bolts. And just put all this stuff out there. We got the bolts. Really, I think they're just lock nuts actually. Bolts and lock nuts. I'm not sure if these go a certain way. Do they? Okay. Yeah, so it's looking like there's this etched part here. This cutout part goes on the inside, I guess. The other part stays on the outside. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on. Lift up the unit, brace it. Those bolts through. Okay, put both of them on. Okay. You be tipsy. You hold it down with my foot. And you just put these on by hand first, and then we're going to tighten them with the socket wrench. Alright, this side's already done. About. Okay. Same with the other side. There are these bolts, nuts. got these in already. Need to put the bolts on, the nuts on. Then we will tighten them up and be all set. That's pretty much it. I'm actually not sure what the other piece is for. I think it might be part of the handle assembly. I gotta look into that. This piece right here. Not sure if it goes. It might go through here just to lock the handle in place. I see something here. I'm not exactly sure though. Look into that. Okay. So we'll go and tighten these down. Down this one. Took a little longer than I thought it would, but these bolts are kind of extra long. I don't think they actually need to be this long, but maybe I'll get almost done. Alright, other side. That'll pretty much be it. Once we tighten these up, the other thing to do is put oil in this and gas. I think we're pretty much good to go then. There's also, I see there's an oil drain here too, which is cool. I just noticed that. I think of one of the older models used to actually drain right onto this bar, and they put an extension unit in here, which is really cool. They also repositioned oil fill from the older models. Looks like I saw an older video online, and this looks a little bit different now I look at it. So if you look closely here, I don't know if you can see on the video, but this is actually a new placement. It used to be lower down here. So it looks like it's easier to fill. That's the oil fill, and this is oil drain. And they've extended it. It used to just be a drain plug here, which is kind of crazy because if you try to drain the oil, it would drain onto that bar first and then drain out. So that's pretty much it for assembly. This is good to go. Just gonna put I can put the hubcaps on too. Figure out how to get those to stay, but that's pretty much it. Thanks for joining my video, and next video we're gonna go ahead and start this up and put some load on and see how it works. Thanks for joining.